Hey guys, what's up? Ross Christopher here, and in today's video, I'm going to actually show you how I get paid 18 cents to acquire emails. Now, for those of you guys who are not on this channel, do me a favor and please subscribe. But today I'm going to be talking about some things that I don't typically talk about, which is getting yourself or your clients results. Now, in this particular instance, we're going to be talking about myself. You guys may or may not know this, but I have started a new source of revenue, which is a musical instrument business. My first business when I was 18 years old was a guitar shop, and I am not running this business, but part of my strategy in 2020 is that I'm going to use the marketing skills and the stuff that I've acquired and also my own resources. I'm going to find CEOs. For this instance, I think 2020, I'm not going to be adding any other businesses, just this. Find somebody who can run this business, which I already got him, my old bass player. And I'm just going to be doing the high-level marketing strategy of it. He's a great musician, a great sales guy, so forth that way, but he doesn't know this stuff. So we're just going to complement skill sets. The reason I bring that up is, yes, I still have my agency. Yes, I'm still running it. It's doing well. And yes, we still have lead carried. But I love having multiple streams of revenue, and I'm excited for this one because it's not marketers, but you guys are, so I'm not going to talk bad about it. I am too. So I'm going to show you guys how today, we literally just launched this campaign today. The goal of this campaign is not to make money. The goal of this campaign is to acquire emails of musicians, so that way we can start marketing our guitar store that will be an online music shop to them. But let me show you guys how this all plays out. So right now, essentially, we're running just Facebook ads. Obviously, we had a couple ad sets here that are some leaders where it was cost too much to actually acquire a purchase. But on average here, $4.37 per purchase. We have some here that are really good at $2.63 per purchase. We've only spent $61 today, and we have a total of, and actually this is inaccurate because there's just delayed attribution, 15 sales, which is $139.58. Now I'm going to pull you into Clickfunnels here just to kind of show you the back end of how this is looking. We just added an OTO. So it wasn't there. We're also going to add a bump to the page to increase our cart value. But once again, guys, the point of this campaign is absolutely not to make money. Like, if we do, great, but that's not the point. It is to collect emails so we can make money in the future. We're playing the long game here. So you guys can see this is January 8th to January 8th, and there is a total of 15 sales, 13 through Stripe, 2 through PayPal, $149.55. Now, you got to break down the cost here. So our product cost is, I got to be transparent here. So we initially ordered 100 of these capos through Alibaba. And then what we eventually ended up doing was seeing how many were starting to sell, and we ordered another 400. We got better shipping. So we don't have those other capos built into this cost right now. We only have the initial 100 that we ordered. So product cost was $222.61. And so far we have sold 15 of those, and our shipping cost is roughly going to be about $3 per unit to send them out. And so far we've spent $60.21 in ads. So our total all-in cost right now is $139.11, and we made $149.55. So really, we've only profited $10.44. You might think that sounds horrible. That's not making a lot of money at all. And that's true. But that's not the point of this campaign. The point of this campaign is to collect these emails. This is exactly what we're trying to do right here. And so we've collected technically more than that now. Let's take a look. We've collected now 59 emails. So let me make the adjustment for the sake of this presentation here. So we are getting paid roughly 18 cents for every person that opts in to our funnel. Isn't that kind of crazy? 18 cents to acquire an email. Most people paid to grow their email list, but not us. So you look at our cost in on this, and it is literally just covering our butts to acquire the email. So what kind of things are we going to do with those emails? Follow-up campaigns, seasonal campaigns, blast on repair kits, and different things that we can sell and nurture to these people That's what we can use this list for. So I want you to think about that for your business and how right now, what can you be doing that is kind of like a loss leader where you're just breaking even to acquire emails of your niche. If you don't have something like that, you can't really play with the big dogs. You think about, how am I going to compete with companies like Guitar Center and Casio and Sam Ash and some of these big companies? Well, I'm going to just play it smarter. They throw their money at things and they don't really care if it comes back right away. For us, we're going to acquire emails of people. We're going to nurture those emails, and people are going to love it. And we're going to build some raving fans behind our stuff. But I just wanted to go live here, show you guys. I thought that this was really cool. A lot of people only show you guys big numbers, and they try to pretend that they're making a ton of money off these different things. And I'm sure some people are, but we're looking at this in a long game. We're trying to figure out, how can we play this thing for the next, to where we're building up thousands and thousands of people. And so our goal is to continually scale up this ad budget. I would say that hopefully, and I'll make a follow-up video, but I would say hopefully we can get this thing to over $1,000 a day within the next 30 to 45 days. And if you think about at that, we would roughly be doing, I don't know, maybe 250 emails a day that we could be acquiring by doing something like that. Anyways, wanted to share this with you guys. I appreciate you. And if you guys ever want to learn how to do something like this, I don't actually teach it, but you can follow me on this channel because I'll be doing follow-ups and stuff like that. You guys have a great day.